Have you ever watched a movie or TV show and thought, I wish I could understand everything without subtitles? Good news! Watching movies, TV series, and even short videos is actually one of the most powerful ways to learn English. And the best part? It doesn't feel like studying. In this video, we will explore how learners at different levels can benefit from this method, how to use subtitles effectively, and what exactly you can improve just by watching. When you learn English through movies and shows, you are not just learning words, you are learning real communication. Watching them helps you build natural pronunciation, real-life expressions, different accents, emotional tone, and body language. Learning English through movies and shows also help your brain connect language with the context, making it easier to remember and use in future. Another advantage is seeing people talk. This helps you understand the language faster and more easily compared to listening to audio without visuals. Facial expressions, body language, and even lip movement are your best friends when your goal is to understand what the person on the screen is saying. The same applies to real-world conversations. If you're a beginner, movies might feel overwhelming, and that's completely normal. Don't force yourself to watch Hollywood movies right away. They are created for fluent speakers, and trying to watch this type of content too early will be incredibly difficult and will almost certainly lead to frustration. Start with simpler videos and shows created specifically for English learners. For example, Extra or We Speak NYC. Many English course books also include short videos at the end of each unit, such as English File or Total English. There are also plenty of short videos created by language schools and independent teachers. Remember, at the beginner level, watching videos is not about understanding every single word. On the contrary, focus on understanding the general idea, the topic of the conversation. Pay attention to familiar words and phrases. Following these steps help you improve basic vocabulary, listening to sounds and rhythm, understanding simple phrases. At the intermediate level, you can start challenging yourself more. You can continue watching learner-focused content while gradually adding real movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, podcasts, and more. Remember, subtitles are your friends, not enemies. Don't feel discouraged if you still need them. In fact, watching without subtitles too early can make the experience frustrating because vocabulary and context may feel overwhelming. Be smart about how you use subtitles. Don't try to read every single word or catch every expression as if your life depends on it. Understanding the general idea is far more important than catching everything. From time to time, pause and repeat interesting phrases. You can also write them down in a notebook and review later. What does this help you improve? Vocabulary expansion, sentence structure, understanding context and meaning. At the advanced level, movies and shows become a powerful tool for polishing your English and making it sound truly natural. At this stage, you can watch almost anything: movies, series, interviews, stand-up comedy, or even fast-paced YouTube content. The key goal is no longer just understanding, but noticing details. Pay attention to subtle differences in tone, idioms and slang, humor and cultural references, the way native speakers shorten and connect words. You can challenge yourself by watching without subtitles or using English subtitles only when needed. Another great technique is shadowing. Repeating what you hear in real time to improve fluency and pronunciation. Advanced learners benefit the most from active watching, analyzing how people speak, how they express emotions, and how language changes depending on the situation. Learning English through movies, TV shows, and short videos is not just effective, it's enjoyable and sustainable. No matter your level, the key is consistency and the right approach. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to keep watching, stay curious, and gradually change yourself. If you found this video useful and maybe beneficial for your English learning process, don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Also, let me know in the comment what other topics you would be interested in learning about. And I will see you really soon.